Good morning, all my dear students. Welcome you all in the world of marketing, to be more precise, in the world of brand management. Students, today one of my students is going to talk about the transformation change that has taken place by Surf Excel. Students, if I go in early 80s, the advertisement of Surf Excel talks about the saving of money, an excellent example of Lalita ji, जो गृहिणी पैसे बचाती है वो समझदार कहलाती है. Because at that moment of time, saving of money is a critical problem. Because there is only 1% person who is working in the family, and rest all are dependent on their head of the family. So saving money is a crucial issue in early 80s. But over the period of time, transformation has taken place. If I talk about early 2001 series, saving water is a great challenge because we are having a scarcity of water. So Surf Excel gave in his advertisement that if you use Surf Ariel, you are going to save 1 bucket of water because water is a critical problem of people. Over the period of time, transformation has taken place. The paradigm shift ended. Now, in today's time, Surf Excel is talking about the achieve. What do you mean by the achieve? Means now each and every parent wants that his or her child wants to excel and perform in each and every discipline. तो अगर अपने बच्चे को अच्छे डिसिप्लिन में एक्सेल करने के लिए अगर दाग भी लग जाते हैं तो दाग अच्छे हैं. That means the paradigm shift has taken place. Now every parents want to groom his child, reskills, upskills their skills so that they can update themselves and make themselves industry ready and society ready. So by this small briefing, now my student is going to talk about in detail the study of surface. Thank you very much.
So a very often to learn our present over here today. I Adarsh Jain is here to give my presentation on the topic that is Surf Excel, which is Daag Achhe Hain. So what does Daag Achhe Hain means? Daag Achhe Hain is a campaign run by Surf Excel to indicate the imperfections in all of us. The imperfections among all of us, indicating that change to take place and there are something imperfection in all of us. Now I will tell you a bit about the company. Well, the brand origins starts with Indian household. It starts to be a premium brand for washing clothes, and it was originated in 1996, and the brand revolution eventually took place. This is a type of campaign that Surf Excel is running and launching its period for Daag Achhe Hain, indicating holy religious factors and often using oral types. This is my example of ad from 2008 which I think is the above slide. So what kind of key factors are they using? They are using as much as points that can be collected on individual level, emotional level, familial level, so that people can resonate with. And now let's break down what is Daag Achhe Hain. Well, the phrase translates to stains are good, indicating that we all have flaws in all of us which leads to growth among all of us. Now, the second point is psychological appeal. The phrase evokes that we all have few imperfections within us, which focuses deeply upon growing and growing. Now, Surf Excel have marketed their ads as dark action for a reason. It is a deep neuroscience research which indicates that I'm sorry. It is a deep science research which is proven to have a deep impact among the Indian audience for a long period of time. Now, this is an example from an early ad for dark action.
दाग लगने से अगर कुछ अच्छा होता है तो दाग अच्छे हैं सर्फ एक्सेल दाग
लगने से अगर कुछ अच्छा होता है तो दाग अच्छे. This is what Surf Excel says. Now with this ad, they gain brand growth and expansion over years. Plus the thing is कि जब आप marketing के aspect में emotional aspect पे लोगों के साथ connect हो जाते हैं, उस point पे लोग उस ad को याद करते हैं थोड़ा longer period of time. As we have shortage of time, so I would like to sum up this PPT. थोड़ा सा मैं इसके बारे में चीज़ को करें. As sir mentioned earlier, this ad के बाद start हुआ था, and in the early 1960s, and then dark blue it was an ad from 1996, and then Surf Excel है ना, उससे क्या ad भी चले थे, and then dark अच्छे हैं, fast करी, बदल दे के उत्पादन and the following test and something. So these are some of the ads. सबसे भी important impact ad चला था, वो मदर्स डे के बाद था, ये वाला ad काफी लोग देख के बाद था.
गरम समोसा येईल जिलेबी गरम अरे क्या कर रहे हो
आज मेरी पेशानी पे किस्मत ने चुमा है आज मेरी पेशानी पे किस्मत ने चुमा है माहे मुकद्दस में रोशन जहां है माहे मुकद्दस में रोशन जहां है
जलेबी
फरिश्तों ने आकर किया समा खुशनुमा है
हमारे
बाकी ये सब दिन प्यारे बच्चों के लिए है
आज मेरी परेशानी पे किस्मत ने चुमा है आज
किसी की मदद करना भी एक इबादत है और मदद करने में अगर दाग लग जाए तो दाग तो बचे इस रमजान आप भी अपने बच्चों को मदद करने की तरफ लॉग ऑन टू surfexcel.pk
इसी तरह के बहुत सारे एक्टिविटी चला है. आखिरी का एक टॉपिक में चाहूँगा मैं, एक गाइड उन्होंने इंडियन कल्चर में बनाया था फॉर हिंदू और मुस्लिम, जो कि एक बहुत ही ज़्यादा कल्चर पॉइंट ऑफ व्यू से हार्ट टचिंग गाइड था. बहुत ही छोटे में उसको कवर कर दूंगा. होली का टाइम था, एक लड़के को अपने मस्जिद में जाना था प्रेयर करने के लिए, एंड सारे हिंदू बच्चे होली के तो एक लड़की बोलती है भाई कोई इस पे रंग मत डालना, बस उसने वो लोग ड्रॉ करके आते हैं पहले मस्जिद तक, एंड देन उसका तो सर्फ एक्सेल डार्क अच्छे हैं।